You're watching another video. FindingNick. Someone said I look like Central C, the Mexican Central C. Anyways, chill day today. We're going to a little Cars and Coffee, I think. And this is the perfect Cars and Coffee car. Let's get it. Mr. KG. Big KG. We got Mark behind us in the G80. Also today, I believe is the first day of Vlogmas. If you guys remember, like the past 2 years, I've done Vlogmas where I vlogged 25 days till Christmas every single day without missing a vlog. Every day without missing an upload. I'm gonna try to do it this year again, but it is very hard to upload 25 vlogs in a row, bro. It's hard, guys, believe it or not. I don't mind like being up all night and editing, because I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna get no sleep all month. But the thing that makes it hard is coming up with content every single day. Every day I have to be outside. I have to be doing something entertaining for you guys. I gotta do something. Today's day 1, December 1st. 24 more days left. We do got a lot of content coming up though. We gotta pick up the R8 tomorrow. Then I wanna give my parents a ride in it. I think that'll be a funny video. I gotta give Josephine a ride in it. I gotta give all the homies a ride in it. I gotta give my mom a ride in this still. My mom would freak out in the vet, dude. If you guys seen her past reactions, she's so scared of all the cars, but this one's super loud. She'll be very scared in, and the R8 should be very fast. So comment down below. Give me like 5 ideas that I can film on YouTube, guys. Everyone help me out. We're all gonna help each other out, all right? Comment down below some YouTube video ideas you guys want to see, and I'll make it happen. The same tune that's on my car, same mods too, but I think it's faster because it's X drive. It has to be faster. We got the same exact tune. This is literally how Tennessee looked a little bit. I do miss Tennessee. I kind of want to go back, except I don't know if I'm allowed. All the people I got kicked me out, told me to leave their state. So this place is cool. It's called Oldtown, and there's just a bunch of nice quality cars come. Like a GT3 RS, some Porsches, a lot of Porsches. It's just very like classic, very nice cars. We made it. People bring some crazy cars here. Look at this Ford GT, all blacked out too. Wow, bro, that is freaking sick. And it's manual, of course. Sheesh. All the old school whips, huh? I brought the right car today. Got a Ferrari, got a GT3. This is so clean too. Bro, I love this generation of cars. You know what I mean? Like even like the Vet too. All these cars probably are so like raw and like, just they'll never make something like this again. You know what I mean? Damn, with the BBSs too. That's like a perfect GT3 right there. Evan parked right here. It's not even a parking spot, but he parked next to this M2 on BBSs too. Everyone's on BBSs, huh? I think Kevin's are fake though. Another Porsche. British Racing Green? Nah, maybe not. Looks like a different type of green. Look at this, even more old school whips. The NSX, another GT3. Dude, that wing looks so good on this car, bro. I feel like every Porsche needs a big wing like this. With the roll cage. Wow, and it's manual. I might like this one better than the red one. This one's crazy. And it's just a beautiful stock NSX. Looks like a barn find, dude. Like, look at this. Not even touched. Probably one owner, I bet. Look, another NSX. Bro, they're all like mint condition stock. These guys are the ones that were like, look at my Corvette and probably hate on it. No, why? Like, stupid Japanese wheels on a Mac. Was this the guy that was looking at my car?
Yeah, that guy, yeah. Did he say anything?
No, but he was looking at it. So we're twinning. Both Z06s and they're both red. I believe that's the owner up there. But yeah, I saw him looking at my car. But again, I feel like a lot of these guys, they appreciate keeping them mint and OEM, you know? And then I come out with the freaking cam vet with T37 slash. Slam to the max. Nah, at least my car looks like OEM plus, you know what I mean? Damn, this is nice too. Bro, these cars are beautiful. Like, these dudes take care of their stuff. There's a lot of Porsches here. A lot. Look, there's even more over there. Pretty sure me and Kevin saw this thing yesterday up in the canyon, if you guys remember that vlog. Pretty sure that's the same one. GT3 RS. I want one of these so freaking bad, guys. Really bad. This is how we're gonna be, guys. Coming to Cars and Coffee at like 60 years old in my classic G80 watch. Because imagine later on when I'm like 60, 70, the G80 is gonna be a classic, bro. How crazy is that to think about? That's a nice color. Super nice. Damn, it's literally straight Porsches. This is a Porsche meet, brother.
I know, that's what I was literally saying.
It's all Porsches. You're a girl, Kevin?
Oh, girl. Hi.
Look at Kevin.
Look. Say hi.
Yeah, say hi to her, G. Introduce yourself, G.
Oh my God.
What's up with
that's
you?
Your man for sure in the G.
Yeah, probably following her. You for sure redid the whole interior, huh?
No way.
Dude, I want to do a car with a custom interior like this one day. Like teal interior, imagine, mint green. That is fire though. Even the dash, the steering wheel is all blue. Big baller.
It's like a wagon.
Bro, I just realized this thing's on BBS's too. Hella wide too. With the custom interior. Bro, those wheels are fire. Oh, you like orange too?
Yeah.
Tell her. Oh. Bro, she has all orange outfit just like how you are. That might be your soulmate, G. Bro, she's wearing orange shoes, orange glasses. Bro, she's literally you, bro. You saw her? Look at her shoes.
Oh my God, you're right.
I told you. Bro, this is Kevin's soulmate right here, bro.
Take a photo with her.
Just tell her, like, why do you love orange? He said, I love the color. Oh.
That's a first.
Yeah. Step one?
Step one.
We're trying to find Kevin a girlfriend, guys. I think we might upset him. That's his type though, look, oh, orange.
A little older, but it's okay.
An orange cup.
Oh my gosh, this is too funny.
No, you gotta show your cars, bro.
Too funny.
That's my car.
Oh, you gotta be, you here?
Yeah, I'm here, yeah.
Oh my gosh. You know we'll have to try to, if we can, put it together. I cannot.
Yeah, I would love to put it together, yeah.
Orange, that's where you said you love my car.
You got her number, G?
Bro.
Come on, bro.
That's my grandma.
No, so?
Okay, I'm just kidding. That's still her, that was her first car. She got it at 20 years old.
That's gonna be you with your stupid E92.
100%. I'm gonna be like that age?
Yes, bro. We'll clean your windshield with the orange rags. Look at R8. That's actually the only R8 here. Damn, that color is hard.
Is that Nardo gray?
Dude, I missed my car already. Tomorrow. You gotta take me.
Nice.
At
Fun, bro.
6 a.m. again.
You coming with us?
Bro, you have to, bro. You have to
man,
take
why do you
me.
have to hit me? I don't understand. Why do you have to hit me?
Hit me back. I'm not even gonna sleep tonight. Actually, we drive tonight and sleep outside the sheepy.
Imagine.
They see us in a tent.
We open the shop for them?
Is that a tow truck? Bro, that's actually a sick ass tow truck.
Meet me at the altar. We ain't getting no younger.
Orange, 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 orange.
Oh, that's hard.
The Kevin spec.
That's literally my spec. He's got the E88s on Ferrari, I think. Tribute. Yo.
E92, E90. Oh, that one's fire. Look at the wheels.
E46 M3. Damn, that's just clean.
And it's red.
With the
It comes like that, wide body?
Yep, wide body factory.
Damn.
That's hard.
Oh.
E36 Daytona Violet. Very clean.
What year, G?
1994, I believe.
Shut the. That is nice.
God,
Not gonna lie.
sick.
That might be the nicest one here.
That's hard.
Actually, this is the nicest one here. GT3 RS.
This dark green color.
Is green or black?
Green.
Oh, it is like a green.
ACR one?
Those cars got aura. God damn. The big old wing. This or the GT3 RS?
3RS.
Really?
Yeah.
What would you take? You would take the Porsche. I don't know, bro. This shit is kind of crazy.
Rev it.
With the exhaust on the side.
That's hard.
That's kind of a hard choice right there. Because those are more rare. Have you seen those things twin turbo too? 1400 horsepower? They're insane. I got gapped by one once.
Dude, that shit.
Bro, that is nice. What the heck? I've never seen that one. Mark?
Got my boy Mark. Oh,
What would you guys take, the Viper or the GC3 RS?
Damn, the logo lights up.
Yeah, even the logo on the brake light. All right, guys, we ended up leaving that meet. It was pretty chill. A lot of nice cars. Like I said, it's like the perfect car for that kind of vibe. This car is a vibe, guys. I'm telling you. Just driving this like on the weekends, early morning like this. I love this car. Having so much fun driving this thing. Look at the Urus. Yeah, we're just waiting for Kevin somewhere way back there. But we thought we'd pull over real quick, look at the beach. Too bad we can't park down there, imagine. That'd be pretty sick. But yeah, this thing drives amazing, guys. Like, that was the first time I've really like pushed on the car. It drives so good. The downshifts, the upshifts, everything, bro. Like, it's just perfect. I love this car so much. Brap, 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 brap. Finally! You're gonna get smacked by this truck, bro. We gotta slow down and pull over and wait for you?
What?
That's how slow your car is. What's up?
I think I was soaking in the views.
Hey, let me drive it real quick.
You drove it yesterday and you abused it.
Oh, Ferrari!
And Bianca white in the side.
Bianca white? Another one, look. 2 Ferraris. 3, what the? There's a whole supercar. Oh my God, look at the Lambo, the perf. Porsche, GT3. I see a Rolls Royce. All the ballers are out. Oh, dude, that's so sick. I love the Performantes. They're so clean. Someone got pulled over. Corvette, another Corvette owner. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, PCH is hot, brother. An orange STO? No way. For sure, Kevin was hyped about that. We've seen so many sick cars. Look who decided to meet up with us. Mark pulled up in the F80, the single turbo F80. This thing is very fast, bro. The first tune, we had some fun on the freeway and I kind of gapped him. But after he tuned and everything, bro, this thing is way faster now, bro. Like, it's just as fast as my G80, which is pretty crazy. This looks sick too, E92, just like Kevin's wing, I think. I think they have the same wing, but in red with the TEs. Super sick too. I love red E92s. You guys remember mine was red at one point. Look at all the carbon, all the vents and everything. This thing's actually sick. I cannot wait till my E92 looks clean, guys. Soon, soon, soon. God damn. Oh my God, the rod bearings, bro. It's tripping. This setup sounds so good. Equal length and single turbo. It's a pretty sick combo. It sounds hella good. I just realized I'm the only non-BMW right now. They all are in M3s. Okay, I hope it picked up on camera how loud those pops were. My car for sure shot a crazy flame. Anyways, we got food. Now we're driving back toward our area. I don't know what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day, but like I said, it is Vlogmas now, so I gotta start filming a lot, bro. You guys see how these morning meets though are like way better now? I feel like the night meets are just burnt. Like I've talked about it in the past couple of vlogs, but like the night meets are done, guys. Like there's not really any good meets anymore. You show up, there's people driving reckless, people trying to do burnouts and rev it. All these motorcycles, not these guys, but like a pack of motorcycles will pull up to night meets and start revving the heck out of their motorcycles. Like it's gotten really bad, bro, the night meets. To the point where like, I don't even want to attend them no more. I don't feel like the content's that cool anymore. There's not that many crazy cars anymore. Like I feel like there's more people than cars now. People just standing in the street telling people to rev it. But these morning meets are more like chill, respectful people, you know, everyone's minding their own business, bringing their nice cars out. I think the morning stuff is for sure the move now. Get one, G. I know you want one. What is that? Oh, it's a spoon. I was like, what the heck is that? What? Oh my God. Signal green.
What's that Belgian girl?
British racing green.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.